iṣẹ́ níṣẹ́ yín yìí o. Almost see my ride. But come, no be ride I want show you. Come, make I show you something. A kind of job that Yorubas don't do around here. They no bond them well. Yorubas know they do this job. You see as they take operator, they no born any Yoruba way for this area, for this community. They say one try. Now the kind job you say now for only recommendation. Those people where they do and if them come your site, they no like you. Say you just they look anyhow, or you look like person we get money. If they no like you, forget the dog say na 10,000 they go collect. Now wetin they go collect be that. Now you go they call them, they beg them, say bros, I better collect 8,000. Now imagine having 10 of these on your site. Now imagine more than 10 that you've known that they are in the wrong places. Like I just show you around, Jack. I just show you around. Let's come if we dey go. This is number 2. This is number 2. Look at it. No wearing. See, no wearing anything. Yeah, I'm wearing slippers. But I have to go back and get up. This is number 2. These guys are hard workers. The guy they tell you say, bros, I because say as we reach here, you see say you be correct person and as Kunle don't talk am say you dash am that palm tree say me use am do palm wine. Now wetin just make us say make we do am for him. Àti jí ìdálẹ̀ gan-an àti gé gbogbo kíní ẹ̀ kúrò lásán. Ìdí tí mo kàn fi consider bàbá Abíọ́dún yẹn ni wípé bàbá Vice ló sọ pé òun dẹ̀ sì wà nù bíbá pé òun lè recommend ẹ̀ pé tí ò bá ṣiṣẹ́ kò ní gbowó. Pé and again àwọn làwọn recommend ẹ̀ pé tó jẹ́ pé mi ò fi ní máa kàn sọ fún mi fẹ́ máa ṣe stress wàhálà and again iṣẹ́ yẹn á lè máa lọ díẹ̀ bá a ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ kó máa lọ torí tó bá bóyá wáyé tó bá parí ẹ̀ tán ó ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ pé mi àti ẹ̀ náà lájọ máa ṣàwọn nẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn tájọ máa ra àwọn igi yẹn sọ̀sọ́ wà tá a máa fi gbẹ́ hò a kàn máa pẹ́ẹ̀gì ẹ̀ a dẹ̀ máa dọ́gbọ́n tó rọra ṣé báyẹn tó jẹ́ pé yóò lè rọra máa lọ díẹ̀ kan tí mo wò nìyẹn.
In drops. That's in water. That's water. Can you see the water? That's water. That's
this is palm wine. That's
it's already coming out even from the neck.
Ó ti ń kàn. Èyí tí mo sọ náà nìyẹn pé ẹmu mà ti ń kàn bẹ́ẹ̀. In fact, so the palm wine has already started dripping little by little. And I'm going to show you the end game in this